Hello everyone, we've got a constant acceleration question but with vectors here. So a particle P moves with a constant acceleration of 2I minus 3j. At time t equals 0, P is moving with a velocity of 4I meters per second. Find the velocity of P at time t equals 2. So it's constant acceleration, so SUVAT is going to be the way forward. So let's write down S, U, V, A and T and see what we know. We know that t is 2. We know the acceleration is 2I minus 3j. Velocity, that's what we're trying to find. What it's a particle moves the constant acceleration at time t equals 0. It has a velocity of 4I. There we go. We're not worried about the distance. So therefore it's going to be v is equal to u plus at. It's going to be the appropriate SUVAT. So we're trying to find v. So u is 4I. The acceleration is 2I minus 3j times by 2. So therefore the velocity is 4I plus 4I minus 6j. So therefore the velocity is going to equal 8I minus 6j. So 8I minus 6j meters per second is our answer to part A. Right, let's have a look at part B then. So it says at time t equals 0, the position vector of P relative to a fixed origin is I plus jm. Find the position vector of P relative to O at time t equals 3 seconds. So we basically have a situation where initially it's here at 1, 1, and then it moves some distance. So we want to try and find out in the end how far away it is from the origin. So it starts off there and it does that and it ends up at this point here. Let's just call it P, and then we want to find out how far away it is from the origin at the end. So let's start off by seeing how far does it go in those 3 seconds. So we're going to do SUVAT for that. So our S, that's what we're trying to find. U is 4I. V, we're not worried about how fast it's going. The acceleration is 2I minus 3j and the time is 3. So this is going to be an S equals ut at 𝗂𝗿𝗃 equation because it's constant acceleration. We're trying to find out what S is. U is 4I times by 3 plus a half times the acceleration, which is 2I minus 3j, times by the time, which is 3 squared. Okay, so now let's work this out. So we're going to have 3 times 4 is going to be 12i. And then what we're going to have here, we're going to have a half times 2 is 1, and that's going to be times by 9. So plus, excuse me, 9i minus 3 over 2 times by 9j. So therefore S is going to equal 21i. Add those two together, minus 27 over 2j. Now that's how far it moves from that point to that point. But the distance from the origin, okay, so the whole, we could write down that the position vector is equal to RO plus R3 that we've just found, okay, and this is the R3. So therefore the R0 was the point I plus j where it started off, plus what it's moved here, which is 21i minus 27 over 2j. And let's see what that's going to give. So that's going to give us 22i, and then we're going to have minus 27 over 2 plus 1. So minus 27 over 2 plus 1 gives us minus 12.5j. So minus 12.5j and meters. So that's our answer there for where it ends up. That's its position vector relative to the origin at time 3 seconds. 22i minus 12.5j. Perfect. I hope you found that helpful. Remember, if you're finding these videos useful, if you could remember to like and subscribe to the channel, that's going to help me keep on making more videos moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.